Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name remain Ruki and thank you for subscribing to So with Ruki. And if you haven't subscribed, please like and subscribe to our channel. So today's video, I'll be making this beautiful dress transformation. So I have this plain dress and I've been wearing it for a while, and I decided that I want to transform it from being plain to being classy and elegant. Okay, so it's actually beautiful this way. When you wear your necklace and your jewelry, it's actually very nice having a plain black dress, right? But today I'm going to transform this plain black dress to something else. So come along and let's begin. These are the tools we'll be using for our dress. This is the feather and this is the glue. And also I bought these stones. Okay, so these are the stones that I got for the dress. Okay, so this is what we'll be using to embellish it. So what you are going to do is, for the feather, can you see it? This is how it came. Okay, so this is how it came. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this. I'm going to cut it out, and this is what we'll be having. Okay, so we'll cut it out this way. So let me just show you how to cut yours. So this is it. What you are going to do is you just take your scissors and you are going to just cut it out. Can you see what I'm doing? Okay, so I've cut it out and this is what I have. Okay, so this is what I have. What you will do next is you are going to take your chalk or the fabric pencil that you have, and you are going to mark. So you take the fabric and you start marking. You determine where you want the embellishment to start from. Okay, so I want it to start from this part of the waist, or you can also make it to start from the waist, but I want it to start from where the dart stop. So I'm just going to mark it this way, then come to this part and mark. So when you are done marking, I've marked it and I'm going to count the total that I need. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26. So I have a total of 26 and I want it to be 30. So I'm just going to mark extra, and when I'm done I'll determine if I'll be adding extra to it. I have to take the camera so that it will be closer and you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So this is it already marked. Can you see it? This is it already marked, and we are going to start attaching. The first thing you do is you are going to take the feather, and the scissors is very essential. Okay, so take it this way and take out your glue. So you place it this way. Can you see what I'm doing? After you've placed it, now you're now going to place it on the dress. So the first thing we are going to do is to attach the feathers. When we are done attaching the feathers, we'll start attaching the stones. I had to shape this part. I don't want it to be big. Remember, our stone is not that big, so you have to cut it to the size of the stone. So I've added it and this is how it looks. So what you do next is you're going to take your stones and we are going to place it. So take your glue. This is the final look and this is how it looks, and I've transformed the dress from being plain to something pretty and classy. So this inspiration was gotten from a Vogue magazine that I saw, and I saw the design and it was pretty, so I decided to make mine. Thank you so much guys, thank you for watching today's tutorial. These are my ends after gluing, and if you want to make something to stand out as a fashion designer, I advise you to be creative, okay? So this is me trying to transform my plain dress into something classy and more expensive. So if I put this out there and I'm going to sell it, the previous price would have been 15,000 naira. But now I can actually sell this dress for 150,000, 50,000 naira and above, okay? So transforming your dress is something that is in trend, is in vogue right now. So I just advise that as a fashion designer, let's be creative and let's try out new designs for our dress, okay? So thank you so much guys, thank you, thank you, thank you, I really appreciate it. God bless you and have a blessed day.